Ain't that beautiful?
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Okay guys, so this time we're gonna inflate our 11 inches chrome balloon. Tie your balloon right here. There. And I use this balloon weight filled with water. Point at the other end right here. And you tie it. There it is. That would be your weight. So this is our base. Alright you guys, so this time we're going to inflate our 7 inches chrome balloon. Now we're ready to attach them all together, so this goes here. Earlier, so once you made one, your first one, you go by that size. See, as you notice that the first one I made is smaller, so in order for that to be the same, you just have to release some of the air on your 260Q. So that is the trick right there. So now you're gonna make 6 of this. Right there, ready to attach or connect them together. So using low temperature glue gun, you just have to put a glue up here. You can either use the glue gun or balloon glue guns. So just attach it right there. begin putting the dots. You can either use glue gun, no, not glue gun, but glue, balloon glue dots or tape. In this case, I'm going to use tape. So guys, it's all done. This is the outcome. We have the flower right there. Look at that. With butterflies and a happy birthday.